Okay, okay. So now you want to know, how do we do which one? Which sorting routine for the linked list?
The insertion.
Insertion sort. What?
Use a dot. I'm sorry, but it's just there in the middle. Got
You missed this one down here.
Let's see.
See?
Oh, okay.
All right. So this is actually a linked list. So it's not actually an array. So you're doing arrows.
What? It doesn't say anything.
What?
Nothing. Caitlin.
What's wrong?
There's a dot above the two.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you missed it. Dawson is called 5.
All right. So the 5's already sorted, so we don't need to do that. We're now going to evaluate the 5 and the 8. Do we need to do anything?
No.
All right. So we got marker. Is this marker dead?
Just about.
Oh, it died. It just died. We go through markers. Oh, if only it bounced. Thank you.
Next. See, this one works.
So then we have 5. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. 8,
Oh,
6.
just give it like 2 days.
It won't last.
Give it 1.
44,
It's so
15,
nice.
2.
Oh,
All right,
it
now we
wasn't
evaluate
good.
the 6, right?
One more time.
So we evaluate the 5 and the 5. It's already sorted. Now we evaluate the 5 and the 8. Is that sorted?
Yes.
So we're at this step, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're evaluating the 6. Is 5, 8, 6 sorted?
No.
All right. So what do we need to do to fix this up?
Can front arrow, can you do like 2 lines or something? Because it's like there's just an arrow pointing to 5.
So all you
and
need
there's
to
a
do
bunch of
is
arrows
switch
after.
Oh.
the pointers from 5
Could you
to
like
point to
make it like
6,
a special one?
and pointers from 6 to point to 8. That's it.
Thank you.
Right. So we want this guy to point over here, right?
Yeah. And you want
Or
5
actually, let's do this.
Yeah.
This
Come on,
pointer
5.
goes right here. This pointer needs to go over here.
Yes.
And
And then the
then
5 pointer needs to go to 6.
And 5 needs to go to 6. All right. Okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yes, but how many operations was that?
3.
3. So now we have 5 points to 6, points to 8, points to 12, points to 44, points to 15, points to 2. All right. Do we need to do anything with 12? Do we need to do anything with the 44?
No.
All right.
I was just rewatching the video where I was like, that is like a base.
Do we need to do anything with the 15?
Yes.
All right. What needs to happen there?
We need to put that in between 12 and 44. So
So the
point 12 should point to 15. 15 should point to 44. And
4.
that's.
And the 44 should point to the 12.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
To
Okay.
2. How many operations is that?
3.
3.
What?
Is it over 9,000 operations?
No.
Oh,
Wait,
that's a
wait.
very nice
Is it a
video.
trap?
It's like a darker red.
All right. Now we'll finally show why this is so useful as a linked list. Now what needs to happen?
Now we need to do the
2 needs to
2.
point to 5.
All right. Now this is a linked list, so let me fix a couple of things.
That points to null.
Do we have a tail and a head?
Okay, so then
Yes.
basically.
Or you better. Or you should. How about
Should.
that?
Better.
All right. So what do we need to do?
Alright, so we
5.
want to put 2.
Let's make sure we do this in the correct order. All right. So you have
2 points to 5.
So
2 points to 5.
can we just. Yeah, we should do that first, right?
the 2 points to the 5.
Yes.
Okay.
And then.
All right. So you'd have to
44
keep a temporary of that. All right. So
Temporary of what?
temporary pointer there. So then the 2, this guy would point all the way over here. All right. Then
44 points to null.
44
The
now
temp.
points to null.
Yep.
Okay.
Why do we need a?
Which is the temp. Because once you change where this guy's going to, you need to know where 44 is pointing to that temp.
Wait,
But
so would it be?
null is null anyways, right?
In this case, yes. But it did. There may be a whole list of numbers afterwards, in which case you'd have to keep track of what that is. All right.
Okay. So then set 44 to tail and 2.
Yeah. Then you said 44 to tail,
And then head
2,
point to 2.
and then head would point to 2. Are there only 2 operations here?
No, because head would point, you have to change what head points.
Yeah, you have to change what head points to. Right. So then now we have 2 pointing to 5, which points to 6, which points to 8, which points to 12, points to 15, which points to 44, which points to
No.
What is? That's 15.
That is an interesting 15.
I put up with so much in this class.
Keep
Thank
it in
you.
mind.
Okay. Now how many operations was that?
3.
3. So no matter where it is in the list, once you find where it needs to go, it's 3 operations, aka it's O of 1. That's why the swapping on a linked list is O of n, because you have to only do it up to O of n times. All right. You good?
Maybe? I might have more questions later.
Always have more questions. Just not right now.
All right. Any other questions?
Just trying to
Malik?
I
Hmm?
was
Zoned out? You got it, Craig?
Like a bobblehead.
Right, so you don't have it. What's the problem?
There is no problem.
There is
Saying- I'm just trying to make a joke.
Oh,
Like a bobblehead.
I understand.
So would you always have to keep a temp?
Yes.
Okay. So for the other ones, we need to temp too?
Yes.
What if you do it in a different order? So,
It may, yeah, you'll have to sit down and figure out which order you prefer to do it in.
because if you did it like a different way, could you not use a temp?
Possibly. Let me. I think you always have to save some temporary. If we were to jump over, like I could jump back. Yes, to jump to there. There might be a way to skip the temp. Because you're going to have a pointer to this guy. So you put the 44 over first, then you have the 2 pointing over there, and then you update head. Yeah, that could work.
Yeah, but would that affect it if the 2 doesn't have anything pointing to it?
Well, you still have to check for that head here.
No, she said.
No, like, because you're doing 44 first, technically nothing's pointing to 2 then.
Yeah, but you would have a pointer to 2.
Mm.
So your temp would be 2.
Oh, yeah, so there's no way to get around temp.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions? Okay.
Fantastic.
Y'all have an hour and a half of lab time. I highly suggest you do it.